about the iconic sports car, and people just love to come and see that car. But to own the car is a whole different experience, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
You have four?
I've owned four in my lifetime, yes.
But you have one that you've had original. It was original, 1960?
Yes. I walked into a Chevrolet dealer towards the 1st of September in 1969. I just gotten out of the service and had my overseas pay in my back pocket, got my old job back and had a summer of paychecks to add to that, and thought I was ready for my dream car, a new Corvette. And I went to Ed Steen Chevrolet in Cleveland, Ohio, and he told me it was a little too late in the model year to order a new one, but he had two on the lot and I could choose. And so he had a blue small block coupe and a big 435 horsepower convertible with side pipes. And since I was a little bit of a hot rod, I picked the one with the big engine.
So 1969 Corvette, you went in there, you bought it originally. I bet the big question you're asking is, what did it cost you then?
Okay, the window, it was loaded, so the window sticker was $6,200. But because it was towards the end of the model year and it was on the lot, the dealer negotiated an out-the-door price of $5,600.
$5,600 for an original 1969 Corvette. Okay, now you're restoring it, 98% finish. What would you get for it now? Just curious.
Well, the museum insures it for me. They have a collector car insurance plan here that's very competitive, and I got it insured for $100,000.
There you go. So what you're telling me is a Corvette is an investment, huh?
It's not done too badly.
No. Well, but here's the bigger question. So you have these groups. You're one of many out there in the world, Corvette clubs. Tell me, in your heart of hearts, you shared your story of that moment when you knew you were hooked. What is it about this car? What?
Well, you know, the word iconic is probably overused, but
Yeah.
you know, it's the first true American sports car. And the freedom of the roads in our big country to explore. Being in the Army, it meant to me, it meant freedom to me. So that's kind of what I was looking for, that freedom to be on my own and do my own thing.
There you go. We've been talking with Larry Crosbie, who is the president of Corvettes Limited, which is located here in Bowling Green. It's a group of enthusiasts, and it's one of the oldest. No, it is the oldest, just about to celebrate 4 decades as a charter. I'm Barbara Dee. We're coming to you from the Corvette Cafe inside the National Corvette Museum. This is Coffee Near Me, and we hope you'll continue the conversation. To you, Larry, I hope you do have another Corvette in your future.
Thank you.
Thank you.